Behind me here is a 770 orchard that I bought a few years ago at Almond Auction, and it was restored at the time that I bought it. And I ran it for a few years, and then I did a refresh job on it about 2 years ago and had it completely repainted and went through and refreshed everything. And it makes an awful good parade tractor. And we have the Arthur fireworks coming up, and I pull the, it's kind of a tradition, but I pull the big bomb thrower, as we call it. We have our own show here, and so I always pull it through the parade, and that's why it's in Arthur today. The uniqueness of being an orchard. In our area, we didn't have a lot of orchards. There was no need for it. This tractor was originally sold, had the bill card for it, and it was sold to an orchard in Orlando, Florida. And so that's where it came from, and I just thought it was a unique tractor, and that's what drew me to it. Well, they think it's from a space age tractor of some kind because it looks like a spaceship. We're just going to be, we do a lot of parades with it, yes. So that's about all it does. Its life is just parade. Yes, it was. It had been restored, and like I say, I've had it for a number of years now, and 2 years ago it needed to be overhauled, and so we went completely through the engine, the rear end, the transmission, and then when we had it apart, we repainted everything and put it all back together. I believe it is a 1965. Yes. I had to look. Too many. Yeah. Basically, there's not the tires are not the original tires on it, of course. So no. That was done so that you wouldn't catch the limbs on the fruit trees as you went down through the grove. Yeah. And that's why the shield was all done. Yeah, when you drive that, you kind of like you're in a locomotive, and you sit down and you sit real low in it. So it's a different perspective when you drive that versus a row crop tractor. It's retired. It is retired, yes.